Brief on today's pre-market activity for June 16, 2025. U.S. stock futures. Pre-market trading shows U.S. stock futures are fractionally higher, signaling a cautious rebound after Friday's sharp sell-off driven by Middle East tensions. Dow Jones futures are up about 0.7%, Nasdaq 100 futures up around 0.8%, and S&P 500 futures up nearly 0.7%. This comes after major indexes dropped over 1% on Friday, with the Dow losing more than 700 points at one stage, as concerns over the Israel-Iran conflict and oil price spikes weighed on sentiment. Oil and commodities. Oil prices have pulled back from Friday's surge, with WTI crude down over 2% in pre-market trading just above $71 per barrel, and Brent crude down nearly 3% to around $73 per barrel. Gold futures are slightly lower, down about 0.5%. Market focus. Investors are closely watching upcoming key economic data, including manufacturing data today, retail sales on Tuesday, and the Federal Reserve's policy decision on Wednesday. The general expectation is for the Fed to keep interest rates unchanged, but the data releases could influence market volatility throughout the week. Global markets. European and Asian markets are mixed but mostly positive, with the Nikkei up over 1%, and major European indices like the DAX and CAC 40 also higher. Sentiment. Despite ongoing geopolitical risks, there's cautious optimism in pre-market trading as investors anticipate a limited escalation in the Israel-Iran conflict and look ahead to economic data for further direction. Summary. U.S. stock futures are modestly higher in pre-market trading, reflecting a rebound from last week's losses. Oil prices have retreated from Friday's highs, and markets are focused on upcoming economic data and the Federal Reserve's policy decision, with cautious optimism prevailing despite ongoing geopolitical tensions.